Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art. We're back today with another video. And as you can see, we are ready to get started. We have a 20 by about 16-inch MDF cutout, custom heart. My husband cuts these out and I've made them before with different techniques I've used to do a design on around Valentine's Day. So I'm doing that again. This time I'm going to do my splash and spin technique, and I may add a swipe to it. It just depends on how it goes. But this has been primed with some primer that's in the finish of a nice light satin gray. And I'm going to just use my blow dryer to blow over the Oxide black, which is the base color, Amsterdam Oxide black. And again, our paints are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Water is added if needed to get to the desired consistency. So let's go ahead and just blow over the base color. I'm going to check around and just make certain that all areas are covered and that we have a nice smooth base to begin with. Okay, and that is the Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Let's do a bit of a torch on that. We are going for an abstract design, and we're using some beautiful colors that you might find in a heart to really reflect love and the flow of what goes in the heart. A little bit of purple in there, a little bit of white, a little gold. Let's get those all laid out. I'm going to start with my Bordeaux red, Arteza Bordeaux red, and I'm going to have to make probably a few areas here and here for us to splash on. Here, let's do one here. Okay, so that's where we're going to begin with the Bordeaux red. And then I have this Naphtol crimson red. It's got a little bit of that in each one of these. This is like a nail polish red. Beautiful color. On top of that, we're going to do some beautiful Pearlized violet. I haven't used this one in a while. I hope it's ready to go for us. Giving us a little bit of a pearlized effect. Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to throw in some Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex Basics. And I'm going to do some Old Gold by Arteza. Yeah, and we have this gorgeous blue Vert Iridescent. See what that does to this mix of color. So much fun to play. It just do a lot of carefree, no agenda type of painting. This is abstract, of course, so we want it to look abstract, but we're not making it look so abstract that we don't find ourselves enjoying the outcome in terms of the design. Now, I put down all of these colors. Let's see, that's 3, 6, 7 colors to assist with that design. I think that pearl white is the last one, and that's Amsterdam. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more gold in that white, and I want a darker color in that white also, and that would be this beautiful portal red. All right, we got a lot of friends here to work with, so let's move our stuff aside. And if I use this white, it's going to be Amsterdam Oxide Black, like the base, and it's mixed with the Australian Floetrol 3 parts to 1 part paint. Okay, so we have 4 areas just to do our splash. And I'm using the plastic mallet purchased from Amazon, lightweight. It's a tint mallet, very useful in terms of getting what we want done. Okay, let's do it in the middle here. Whoa, I have really seen a splash that one. That one went everywhere, but it's nice. It's coming back together, and as it's coming back together, we're gonna keep splashing, not so hard. That one's come together. Here's another one. And we're gonna take and clean up. Oh, I'm thinking this is gonna be special. We've got splash everywhere. Let's do this one. Good. Okay. That is going to be incredible. Let's give it a few seconds to come together, and I'll see if I can get the splash off my foot here from the paint that just splashed on me while we're waiting on it. Okay, that is looking amazing so far. I love the variations of color throughout the splash, but also throughout the heart. You can see the lines, the spots of splash throughout. Super cool. And as it's coming back together, we're going to give this a chance to hopefully take form with that centerpiece, the burst of color that comes from the splash. We cleaned up the splashing tool and some of the paint around here. That took on a burst of splashing, and it's also going to take on a different effect with the spin. Now I know we're going to lose some of the shape that we have here, and that's part of the uniqueness that we have with the splash and spin. We are going for abstract, and we'll definitely get it. Okay, a lot of paint here, a lot of work to do, but we'll torch before we start. Stubborn bubbles here. This really looks quite unique, just the way it is. I'm going to see if we can tilt this just a bit. It's going to open up, and we'll tilt this way, see if we can get that middle piece to close in a little more. Awesome. Ooh. I hate to just spin it and lose all of these lines and detail, but you can see this is super cool. Okay, we're going to have to do a little spin because we got a lot of paint. And we'll start with a gentle spin at first. Everything starts to level out at this point. And we're starting to lose some of that and gain some of this. And let's go the opposite direction. See some of the paint coming off again. Really super neat. I'm going to take this and tilt the entire spinner. I'm loving this. This is just fabulous. I don't want to do too much spinning, I can tell, because I like the design that we have here. I'm loving it. There's a unique splash here. Okay, let's do the torching here. Burst of colors. Let's do one big spin. Okay, let's see what happens. Yes. Oh my. I'm pushing, I'm pulling the tilting and seeing how much paint is there. There's not a lot of paint there, even though it looks like it could be. Still coming off, and we're going to push and tilt this side over so we can keep it going. Everything nice. I like it. I'm just going to stop here. I think I'm going to stop. It's abstract. It's got lots of detail. It's taking on a personality of uniqueness, beautiful colors. They all look fabulous with the black base. And we're going to use our Panabrand stick to support us in getting this captured all the way around. Not spinning, just turning so we can wipe. Get that paint to start coming to rest. Oh, this is so fabulous. I love, love, love. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. This is super, super fun. Hope you like it. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up so you can see it close up, but we got a burst of love here, lots of energy, lots of dynamics in terms of movement, and just voice is speaking to us. It's letting us know we're full of love. Okay, I'm thrilled, and I hope you will be too. Let's see you at the close-up. All right, everyone, here we have it. We've got our close-up of this beautiful 20-inch heart, and you can see that gorgeous lacing here we have with the Arteza gold and the burst of colors all throughout. It's amazing how much activity this took in. You can see here the cells that are in there, the burst there. There's lacing, splash, twist, lots of different turns, really bringing out the uniqueness of this abstract design, where we were able to splash the 4 petals and bring them to this awesome outcome. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Wow. Beautiful. Loving it. Okay, guys, this is a 12 by about 16-inch heart, and we want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. We look forward to your feedback and also to seeing your beautiful art creations as well. Let's check out your splash and spins on my Facebook group, Anita White Art. We'd love to see them. Until next time, keep loving your art. Bye now.